be inside the web INF only. It is compulsory. Whatever I given tick mark, it is compulsory as it is. Okay. So this is compulsory. Remaining whatever you want, you can write. Now, first one, welcome program. I'll show you. Welcome program. See, what we'll do is, we'll create war file. We'll create war file. The war file will deploy in server. Example, Tomcat web server. We'll take that war file, will deploy here. After this, from browser, it is like a web client. Nothing but browser, any browser. Here we'll type some URL. Then my request password to server. This request is called HTTP request. Hypertext Transfer Protocol request. This response comes. It is called HTTP response. Here you will get output just welcome. This is the first program. This is first program. Client will send the request to server to get welcome page. That's it. Write this one. Over. See, we'll deploy first.war file in server. From browser, I'll send the request. We'll get a response. HTTP request, HTTP response. Now, this program you are going to see. See. Here already files are there. 1 minute, I'll delete. see, first we have to create folders. In the diagram, how many folders are there? See, how many folders are there in the diagram? First tab folder, next WebInf folder, next classes folder, 3 folders. Now, how to create folders? See, at the command prompt. From command prompt also you can create. From here itself you can create, no? Now, from here, I will create, what will write for creating folder? MD. MD first tab. CD first tab. MD WebInf. CD WebInf. MD classes. CD classes. See, like this will do. If it is Eclipse, one button if you click, all will be generated. Dynamic web project, if you click, these all will be shown. That's what will go for Eclipse. Okay? Write these all. It is first program, write everything. Second program onwards, no need to write. Because same procedure every day. Compulsory we have to create folders. MD means make directory. CD means change directory. Directory nothing but folder. In a DOS operating system, directory. Windows operating system, folder. That names, synonyms like. MD stands for make directory. CD stands for change directory. Directory nothing but folder. So MD first tab folder created. CD first tab, we entered into first tab folder. Next, MD WebInf, CD WebInf, MD classes, CD classes. You can create in C drive also, D drive also, E drive, any drive. Is it over? Now, here we have to write .java file. Actually, .java file should be in SRC folder. That is already given yesterday, day before yesterday. Okay? But present I'm writing here because if you write like that, again you have to compile with Java C -hd option. That is the reason I'm writing here now. Anyhow, next program Eclipse will use. Eclipse automatically generated. Okay? Here, start notepad first servlet.java. Write this one. Start notepad first servlet.java. Start notepad first servlet.java. start notepad for solid.java. Start notepad for solid.java. Oh, okay. Start notepad for solid.java. Enter. See, cannot find the first solid.java file. Do you want to create a new file? Yes. That means directly opened here. Notepad opened with first solid. See, first solid. Directly opened. Here, first solid. So, if you write like this, start notepad. Notepad opened with this file. Here we have to write program. I'll ask questions, give me answer. Okay, I'll ask questions, give me answer. Without class, can we develop applications? No. So, class name, open brace, close brace. Without class, we cannot develop applications. So, class name, open brace, close brace. If I write main method, is it executed? Is it executed? No. Because Soulet runs in server. Server doesn't know main method. Execution purpose, methods are there. Those methods are called execution purpose methods are there. Those methods are called life cycle methods. Life cycle methods. How many life cycle methods are there? 3. What are those? Init, service, destroy. When init method called by web container? Whenever first request comes to a Soulet. When service method called by web container? For every request. When destroy method called by web container? Whenever Soulet instance is removed from web container. When Soulet instance is removed? Whenever web application is undeployed or server shuts down. Okay. Whenever a first request comes, how many methods called? How many? 2 methods. What are those? Init and service. When second request comes, how many methods? 1 method. That is service. Third request, service. Fourth request, last request, service only. These all methods belongs to which interface? Soulet interface. That interface in which package? Jakarta.soulet package. To derive life cycle, what we have to write here? To derive life cycle, what we have to write? Give me answer. To derive life cycle, what we have to write? How to inherit interface? How to implement? What you have to write? Implements or extends? Implements. Next, Soulet. Okay. Like Soulet interface in which package? Jakarta.soulet package. Is it required to import? Yes. What we have to write? Import Jakarta.soulet.star. What is the meaning of star? All classes and all interfaces. Okay. Now this is if we implement this interface, now how many methods mandatory to override? 5 methods, because there are 5 methods. Okay. But if we implement this interface, 5 methods mandatory to override. We have an alternative way. That is, I'll explain. Jakarta.soulet interface inherited in Jakarta.soulet.generic Soulet. Now it's an interface. It is a class. It is an interface. It's an abstract class. Now here, 5 abstract methods. Here, 1 abstract method. Here 1 abstract method, that is service method. Write this one.
Jackass servlet dot generate servlets.